Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery on an iPhone 6s. First, make sure the phone is completely powered off. Now, remove the two pentalobe screws next to the charging port. Use a plastic opening tool to gently lift the screen. Be careful not to pull too hard. There are cables connected inside. Next, remove the metal shields covering the battery and display connectors. Unscrew them carefully and keep the screws organized. Disconnect the battery connector first to prevent any short circuits. Then, disconnect all the display cables to fully detach the screen from the phone. This will give you more space and make battery removal safer and easier. Now, gently pull out the adhesive strips underneath the battery. If they break, you can use a bit of isopropyl alcohol and a plastic tool to loosen the battery. Never use metal tools to pry the battery. It can be dangerous. Reconnect the battery connector, then reconnect the screen cables. You're almost there. Before you reassemble everything, power on your iPhone and be sure to run a quick battery test to ensure it's functioning properly. If you're enjoying this, show some love, like comment your questions and subscribe for more fixes. Now, reconnect display cables and reinstall the metal shields. Carefully close the screen, and finally, replace the screws near the charging port.